Macbeth and his best friend Banquo are brave soldiers. One day, after a battle, 3 ugly witches come out of the fog.
Macbeth, you will be the new King of Scotland.
Me? The new King of Scotland? Macbeth writes a letter to his wife, Lady Macbeth. He tells her what the witches said.
Yes, if he is the king, I will be the queen.
King Duncan comes for dinner and sleeps at Macbeth's castle. When Duncan is asleep, Lady Macbeth tells Macbeth to kill him. I really want to be king, but I'm very frightened about killing Duncan. He is a good king. Macbeth sees a knife in front of him. He knows it is wrong, but he decides to kill Duncan. I must do this quickly. Duncan is dead, but Macbeth feels bad about killing him.
It's okay, nobody will know our secret.
Macbeth becomes king. But he is worried that his friend Banquo knows he killed Duncan. He decides that Banquo must die too, and he orders his servant to kill him. I am king, but I am not happy. I feel terrible about killing Duncan and Banquo, and I am worried people will know my secret. Macbeth sees Banquo's ghost in front of him. He's very frightened. He goes to see the witches again. Macbeth asks the witches if he's in danger.
Don't worry, everything will be okay. Yes, everything will be fine.
Macbeth believes the witches, but they were lying. Lady Macbeth is sleepwalking. She wanted to be queen, but now she feels terrible. She understands that it is wrong to kill. An army comes to attack the castle. The people know that Macbeth killed Duncan. The witches said I was safe. They lied to me. Macbeth is dead, and now the people have a good new king.